Then we're gonna dress our bathroom. There's three things we need. We actually need something next to the sink on both sides or one side, doesn't matter. Depends on what items you have or willing to get. And then the second thing is nice flush towels. So firstly, let's have a look at our sink. So you'll see that we do not have a lot of space around it. So we don't want to clutter it because then it feels like you cannot even put a toothbrush down. So just focusing on little areas on either side of the tap, that will be absolutely ideal. Okay, in any household or most households that I know of actually have something like a face cloth. I recommend using white towels, white face cloths. Two reasons. Number one, what happens when you go into a luxurious hotel and you go in that bathroom? What color are those towels? Yep, not purple, they're white, okay? And what happens when you go to a spa? What do they normally show you? White towels. Even so impractical. I know it's impractical. I don't even have white towels, okay? Go and buy really cheap ones. They don't even have to be expensive. Don't wash them because they tend to lose the fluffiness, okay? Just get some nice white towels for display purposes. Now, as I said, we're going to focus on this area, so I'm going to give you a few tricks. So right now we are just going to roll it up like that. The side without the seam, that's the side we're going to expose to the photos because that looks pretty ugly, doesn't it? So you'll notice as well that I'm actually using a grey face cloth today. First of all, so you can actually see it because I'm in a very white, bright bathroom with the light. Secondly, not everyone wants to go and spend money on white stuff, and I get it. So if you have towels in your cupboard that actually fits with your bathroom or blends with the tiles, that's not too vibrant, like grays, all your neutral colors, that will work as well. Okay, so don't fuss too much about the white. I just like it, that's all, and it looks nice. Anyway, let's get back to this. So we've rolled it up, we put the side without the seam, or can place it over there. Okay, now, greenery. Plants, I love plants. Number one, they bring color. Number two, they just display freshness, and we really want freshness in our bathrooms, don't we? So if you can go and get a little plant or a succulent, even something really artificial from your homeware store that's not going to cost the earth, just something really nice, and you just place that there with your face cloth. And that's basically really all you need in that corner. And then I'm sure most of you have hand soaps and dispensers. I wouldn't recommend the really cheap plastic ones. So if you can maybe go and get a ceramic one or something that is a nice brand, that will be fine as well. As long as you can't see the soap level in them, you're good to go, okay? So we just camouflage the soap level. I love cream, so I've just added another one that's a similar color and shape. And then that will be it. And you can add something else if you want for a little bit of touch, but really, for me, I think that's more than enough for what you'll need for your bathroom. Okay, now to the towels. So I'm just going to sit here. It's really nice. So I'm going to show you now my white fluffy towels. Okay, so we are going to pretend together now that this is my towel rail, and I'm going to show you how to do it. So I'll have to stand up for this one. So this is going to be called the tri-fold fold. All right, so we open up our nice towel, and then we're going to fold it 3/4 of the way, like that. Okay, so there we don't see the seam at all. Ooh, okay, so we're going to fold it 3/4 of the way, like so. So this way we don't see any seams on either side. Okay, now back to my towel rail. So all you do now is you literally just drape it over, make sure it is very nice and flush, and that way when people come in your bathroom, there's no seams, photos don't pick up any seams, and that looks just like the hotel you visited last week, didn't it? So your towels, if you can, do 2 on one towel rail, depend how you go. Again, the color, white's good, but anything that matches your bathroom and won't jump out at you on a photo, that will work perfect as well. And that's our bathroom. Thank you for watching our video.
If you liked it, please press thumbs up.
Yeah, and please share with all your friends, buddies, whoever you think will benefit from this video.
And if you click subscribe, you will see more of these amazing tips and tricks on how to actually style and decorate your home.
Yeah. If you have any questions, let us know and we'll try and make a video to answer your questions for you.
Yeah. Have a good day.
Bye.